earth is on fire. We don't have no daughter. Let the motherfucker burn.
When it comes to, disaster response, preparedness, survival, I'm literally an expert.
I'm a professor at Transylvania University in Lexington, and also teach survival courses, wilderness survival type things, and that's sort of my connection with this whole world, I guess.
We're here today. We're going to be talking about some things dealing with the global economic impact to the current pandemic.
To some degree, this talk of apocalypse is a fantasy and not a negative fantasy. There's almost a longing for some of these things so that you can use all of your toys, you can demonstrate all your skills, you can be that important person that you think you ought to be, right?
In the preparedness industry, I may not be Michael Jordan, but I'm definitely Charles Barkley.
Because ultimately, of course, this is about selling the apocalypse.
Right. Which, by the way, I have pretty much the largest preparedness group east of the Mississippi River. We have over 280 families in our group. We have another 160 some odd individuals. I mean, we occupy an entire mountaintop when the shimmer hits the fan. And by the way, you're all welcome to come. All of you. Every one of you. Get to Livingston, Tennessee. Third stoplight you come to, northwest side of town, there's an Arby's. My security detail will be there every morning, 0900 till 1000 hours, right? Show up with everything you own, show up with just clothes on your back. We have food, water, fire, shelter, first aid, hygiene for you and your family for at least a year. We have a job for you. Our community is open to anybody that shows up. And I don't care, black, white, male, female, young, old, Muslim, Christian, Jew, Buddhist, atheist, I don't care. The only way you can rebuild society after a society-ending event is if you have people to help you rebuild it, right? And you can't have people follow you and rebuild society if you kill everybody that comes to you for help. Y'all with me?